Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide navigation bar in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to hide the navigation bar on your Samsung phone, go ahead and open the GoodLock application. On the GoodLock application, you want to download and install the Navstar app. So once you download and install the Navstar modules, make sure you turn on Navstar. And then here, you can change your Samsung navigation icons. Whether you change it or not, to hide it, just scroll down, locate advanced options, and make sure you turn on show and hide button. Then go back to the home screen. You should see your navigation bar or icons hidden. To unhide it, just swipe up and then locate the dot at the bottom left and click on it twice. Then this is going to hide the navigation bar or navigation icons on your Samsung. So that is exactly how to hide navigation bar on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.